You are a Gen Z person, and if you could take control of your financial future starting today, why budgeting matters. Budgeting is more than just tracking expenses. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. For Gen Z who face unique economic challenges and opportunities, mastering the art of budgeting is crucial. By learning to budget effectively, you can avoid debt, save for big goals, and enjoy financial security. Setting clear financial goals. The first step in creating a budget is to set clear financial goals. These can be short-term goals like saving for a new gadget, or long-term goals like buying a house or traveling the world. Clear goals provide motivation and direction for your budgeting efforts. Write down your goals and revisit them regularly to stay on track. Tracking income and expenses. Understanding where your money comes from and where it goes is the foundation of any budget. Start by tracking all sources of income, whether it's a part-time job, freelance work, or financial aid. Then list all your expenses, from fixed costs like rent and utilities to variable expenses like food and entertainment. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet to keep everything organized. Creating a realistic budget. With a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can create a realistic budget. Allocate funds to different categories, ensuring that essentials like housing, food, and transportation are covered first. Then, assign amounts to discretionary spending, savings, and debt repayment. Be honest about your spending habits and make adjustments as needed to ensure your budget is realistic and sustainable. Embracing the 50-30-20 rule. A popular budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your after-tax income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This framework provides a balanced approach to budgeting, ensuring that you're not only covering your necessities but also enjoying life and preparing for the future. Cutting unnecessary expenses. One of the biggest challenges in budgeting is identifying and cutting unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and look for areas where you can reduce costs. This might mean cooking at home instead of eating out, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can help you navigate unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, without going into debt. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Start small and gradually increase your savings until you reach your goal. Managing debt wisely. For many Gen Z individuals, student loans and credit card debt are significant concerns. Managing debt wisely is crucial for financial health. Make a plan to pay off high-interest debt first, and consider consolidating loans to reduce interest rates and simplify payments. Avoid taking on new debt whenever possible and focus on paying down existing balances. Saving and investing early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401k and consider opening an individual retirement account or IRA. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Explore low-cost index funds and ETFs for long-term investment growth. Utilizing technology can be a powerful ally in budgeting. Use apps and online tools to automate savings, track spending, and set financial goals. Many apps offer features like expense categorization, bill reminders, and personalized insights to help you stay on track. Leverage these tools to make budgeting easier and more effective. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance is one of the best investments you can make. Follow financial experts on social media, read books and blogs, and consider taking online courses to deepen your understanding. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Building good credit is essential for major financial milestones, such as buying a home or securing a loan. Build and maintain good credit by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries. Regularly check your credit report for errors and take steps to correct any inaccuracies. Consistency is key to successful budgeting. Stick to your budget, track your progress, and adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may change over time. Be flexible and willing to adapt your budget to reflect new circumstances such as changes in income or unexpected expenses. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your financial milestones. Whether it's paying off a credit card, reaching a savings goal, or sticking to your budget for several months, take time to acknowledge your achievements. Celebrating these wins can boost your motivation and reinforce positive financial habits. Budgeting is a lifelong skill that can transform your financial future. By setting clear goals, tracking income and expenses, and making informed decisions, Gen Z can take control of their finances and build a secure, prosperous future. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice.